So what's up guys, it's me and Mendoza and we are going to talk about patterns and symmetries. So now, I do have my friends to discuss later the two topics further and give the types, the examples, and like what kind of pattern is the butterfly or the logo of the Toyota. So if you wish to learn from this video, please keep on watching. And first, I do have my friend on the next clip to discuss about the nature of math so you can cope up with the following topic. Let's go.
Mathematics reveals hidden patterns that help us understand the world around us. As you heard and read here, mathematics and world or their nature are connected.
Pattern. Pattern is a regularity in the world, in human-made design, in abstract ideas, as the elements of pattern repeat in a predictable manner.
Here, the examples of pattern is the fractal in nature, tessellation in nature, spirals in nature.
A few moments later.
Fractals in nature. A fractal is a never-ending pattern that are self-similar across the different scales. They are created by repeating a simple process over and over in an ongoing feedback loop. For example, is a snowflake and a tree branches.
One eternity later.
Tessellation of a flat surface is a tiling of a plane using one or more geometric shapes, called tiles, with no overlaps and no gaps. In mathematics, tessellations can be generalized to higher dimensions and a variety of geometries. Examples of tessellations are honeycombs and turtle scutes.
Spirals are patterns that occur naturally in plants and natural systems, including weather. It is a curve that gradually and continuously widens around the central point. For further information, Leonardo Fibonacci is the one who tried to understand the order in nature.
And did you know that Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers, such that each number in the sequence is the sum of two preceding ones?
Now let's talk about geometrical.
Meanwhile.
Now let's talk about geometrical sequence. So basically, geometrical sequence is a number that is being multiplied by a common ratio. Some of these examples are the Great Pyramid of Giza and Giza Necropolis.
From the Greek word symmetria means that one shape becomes exactly like the other when you move it some way, turn or flip or slide. In mathematics, symmetry has a more precise definition that an object is in variation to any of various transformations including reflection, rotation, or scaling. The examples are circle, heart, square, rectangle, or triangle.
Reflectional
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up.
So reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry is also called bilateral line symmetry or mirror symmetry. It occurs when a line is drawn to divide a shape in half so that each of the reflection is the same as the other. So for example, we have the logo of Toyota and a butterfly. Those are the example of the reflection symmetry.
Also known as radial symmetry in biology, is the property a shape has when it looks like the same after some by a particle.
2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Rotational symmetry, also known as radial symmetry in biology, is the property shit.
Months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow.
Symmetry, also known as radial symmetry in biology, is the property a shape has when it looks the same after some rotation by a partial turn. An object's degree of rotational symmetry is the number of distinct orientation in which it looks exactly the same for each rotation. Example of these are star, the logo of Mitsubishi.